questions about your liver biopsy, don't worry, we're here to help. First, you'll have been referred by the gastroenterology or surgery team to attend for a liver biopsy. If you are on blood thinning tablets or injections, please contact the medical team in advance. Before the procedure, it is advisable not to eat. Regular medication can be taken with small amounts of fluids. Wondering what to bring with you? You'll be in hospital for around 6 hours after the procedure. So don't forget to bring a tablet, book, or music with you to keep you relaxed. When you arrive, you'll be provided a gown to change into and rest in bed until they're ready for you. Staff will be notified when to transport you to the X-ray department. The X-ray department is where biopsies take place. You'll then be placed in the care of staff who will be completing your procedure. They will take you into the room where they will make sure you are comfortable and ready to begin the biopsy. They will talk through the risks and potential complications from the procedure. The lighting will then be reduced to help with scanning your liver. During the scan, a pen will mark the designated areas they will be using during the procedure. Before performing the procedure, staff will prepare the workstation and put on their personal protective equipment. The area will be cleaned and prepared for the biopsy. The next step is for anaesthetic to be delivered ahead of the actual biopsy taking place. You'll then have the biopsy. The biopsy makes a single click noise. We'll play it now. Here it is, once again. That's it, your liver biopsy is complete. You'll then be taken back to the ward to rest until you're ready to be released. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the team.